Describe the electromagnetic spectrum. Well, the part we're going to look at here initially is the visible. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Well, Isaac Newton added that because he liked 7 and he wanted 7 colours. So we're going to ignore indigo and just go from green, blue to violet. Now I'm going to draw in a representation of how the waves of these different coloured light look. You can see that for the red end of the visible spectrum, the distance from one peak to another is very high compared to violet. So red has a high wavelength, and the peak to peak, or indeed trough to trough distance for violet, that's very low. So violet has a low wavelength compared to red. Furthermore, red has a low energy component to it, and violet, well, they have high energy. The photons there are high energy photons. The third thing you'd need to know is to do with the frequency. Now you can see that for red, the waves aren't very frequent, not many waves per unit time. So it's a low frequency, whereas for the violet, it's high frequency, many waves there per unit time. Infrared has a lower energy than red, and you can't see it, it's invisible, and ultraviolet has a higher energy than violet. Think ultraviolet.